Hi guys, welcome back to HairNet TV. Today we're going to be doing a slight beach wave on shoulder length hair. We're going to section off the top half of the hair, so we're working on the bottom by the crown down. And we're just going to take our flat iron and twist, leaving a tail at the end. We're going to be doing a slight bend in the hair. So watch as I use the flat iron and I just make that slight curl, and we're just going to alternate which ways we're holding the flat iron. So I'm going to turn it that way this time, pull it straight down. Use my fingers to kind of hold onto that curl, grab my next section, take it the other way, twist, hold, pull straight down. Another section, the other direction, leaving that tail at the end. We just want a slight beach wave here. This is a nice back to school hairstyle when you're in a rush, when you just want a little bit of curl, not too curly, want a relaxed curl. Just going the other direction with my flat iron. Pull it straight down. I'll speed this up for you guys to watch. The other direction, hold. Straight down. You're just going to take this piece by piece from the crown down, that first section, till you get all the way around your face. Pulling that straight down, grabbing another section. Alternating each twist of the flat iron. Going the other way, holding. Pulling it straight down, grabbing another section. And I don't keep my flat iron super hot. This is on the very first setting offered. I think it's a 310 temperature. You don't need to be super hot. Her hair is very healthy, so I want to keep that shine. I don't want to put too much heat on it. You can use a heat protectant if you want. We did not do that this time for her. So I'm just pulling off that clip, working on the very top section. I always like to find the part that the client prefers. She likes the middle part, so I just kind of put it that way. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab another section, do the same thing we did before. Just that slight bend, leave the end straight down. And you can make this as tight as you want. You can go all the way down to the ends and make it curly. Your flat iron is very versatile. It's not just for straightening your hair, it's for curling as well. You just need to pick how much curl you want. And we just want a very loose curl. You're just going to follow this around. You can make this curl as tight or as loose as you want. Just pulling it straight down, finding that bend that you want in the hair. See how those curls are turning out? That's the goal in this style today. Very loose. Almost done here. Alternating those curls the way you're holding the flat iron. Pulling straight down. So we've got her finished up here. We're just going to kind of run our fingers through those curls. Loosen them up a little bit. This is a Pantene, I'm not sponsored by Pantene, but Pantene, it's called Sugar Scrub Texture Spray. It works really good for just a flexible hold. You don't want a stiff hair, you want a nice flowy style here. We just want to show off the shine, give some body, show off those curls, nothing too manicured, nothing too stiff, very flexible and flowy. Very easy style for school, for work. And this is the final product. I'm very happy with it. Very easy to learn. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Like and subscribe. Nice to see you again.